Hi there, I'm Tammy, and this is All About Living, where I show you in my kitchen how to use pantry staples and make quick, easy, get them on the table right now suppers. This one is called Santa Fe soup. It's basic, it's almost like a dip, but it's a soup, and you use like big dippers or like scoops or something to eat it with, or you can take corn tortillas and pop them in the oven and brown them up real good and then just dip those. It's so easy. It's all in one pot, and we're gonna get started. All right, you're gonna need some kind of Tex-Mex taco mix. This is one that I made, and Randy can link that one up there in La La Land at the end of the video or something. Some hot sauce, some whole kernel corn in its juice, some tomatoes in their juice, some rotel in its juice, and some chili beans in its juice. 1 pound of hamburger, and probably 2 cups of cheddar cheese, and a half of an onion, and you are ready to go. Okay, you want to talk about minimal work? The only thing in this recipe I have to do really is cut an onion. The rest of it all happens in the pot. So that was it for that, and I didn't even have to use a whole onion. Look at that. All right. Let's get this stove on. I'm looking for a medium heat, which is right about there. Get that pot hot. Take just a minute, and then I'm gonna put my burger in there. So get this hamburger open. Get it in there. Just 1 pound of hamburger. That's all you need, and you're gonna be able to feed at least 4 people. I mean, couldn't imagine you not being able to feed 4 people with 1 pound of hamburger. And let's get that hamburger broke up. And we'll just start, and then we'll just continue to break it up as we go. And to save even more time, we're going to go ahead and put those onions in there. Here we go. Let's get those onions in there. We're just going to keep breaking that up until we got it all in little pieces. And then we're just going to let it continue to cook down. I may turn this eye up a little bit. There we go. I'm going to go up to a medium high. Not all the way to high. I mean, I don't want to burn anything. I just want to brown it. So I'm going to turn it up just a hair. Okay, now this is my Tex-Mex that I make. If you don't have that, or don't have one similar, all you have to do is take a package of, Taco Bell seasoning or whatever your store brand is. It's way overpriced, but that's what you can use. But I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of mine, and then I'll taste it right before I put the cheese in it to see if I need more. And hot sauce we like, so I'm going to dabble a little bit of hot sauce in there. I don't know, that might be 2 tablespoons maybe. I'm going to give that a stir. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this eye back down to medium. Alright. Now we're just going to add those cans. Okay, this one had a pop top, so that was really easy. We're going to drop that corn and the juice. At 1 more pop top. My stewed onions are in a pop top. We got chili beans in their juice. Gonna get that can open. And I'll just go ahead and open the other can while I'm here. I got a can of Rotel. If you don't have Rotel, just, you can use a small can of green chilies with another can of tomatoes. It's really not gonna make that big a deal. All right, in goes the Rotel. Oh, yeah, it's coming together. We're gonna add those chili beans. There we go. We're gonna give this all a stir and get it all together. And the beauty of this recipe, if you don't like chili beans, okay, add you a can of black beans. It'll change the flavor just a little bit. Or you could add just a can of kidney beans. Whatever you got, it's very forgiving. And it's going to taste good no matter what. I actually probably should have used a can of diced tomatoes instead of the stew, just for the size. But they're already in here and they taste the same. Okay, now we're just going to get the lid on that and we're going to let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. That's it. You're just going to let it simmer for a little while. Go do something else while it simmers. Okay, 30 minutes are up. Soup is done. Time to add the cheese. All right, we're going to need 2 cups of cheese. We got 1 piece. And a 2. There we are. It takes 2 cups of cheese to make the perfect soup. Look at there. All right. All right, this dinner is for everybody. I mean, I had 5 kids and they all loved this. I never got, I don't want that. This was a keeper. And we would have this probably once every couple of months because it is so cheap and so easy and so quick. Y'all got to try it. Come back and see me. Bye.